Hello, my friends. Welcome back to ESL-Easy English, the channel where we make learning English, well, easy. I'm James, your friendly English guide, and today I'm going to talk about something that might just change the way you look at English forever. We're talking about 10 reasons why learning English is so important in today's world. Now, maybe you're learning English because you have to for work. Or maybe you want to because you love movies, music, or travel. Either way, after today's episode, you'll have 10 powerful reasons to keep going. Even when grammar feels like a bad puzzle you can't solve. All right, I won't keep you guys waiting. Let's jump in. Reason number 1, global communication, which means English is the world's bridge language. That means if two people speak different native languages, they often use English to talk to each other. Imagine you're at an airport. You're from Brazil and you meet someone from Japan. How do you talk? Well, most likely in English. When you can speak English, the world feels smaller. You can make friends in other countries, share ideas, and understand each other without a translator. And don't you think it's cool when you reach out to someone from across the world on social media and make new friends? The language used is predominantly English in these situations. Okay, let's move on to number 2, better job opportunities. Let's be real. Many companies, especially big international ones, look for people who can speak English. It can mean better pay, more chances for promotions, and even working abroad. I have a friend from Italy who got a job in Singapore just because she could speak English well, and guess what? She also gets free travel every year. Lucky her. So, if you want your CV to shine, English is a big plus. It makes a lot of sense if you think about it. How do you even start looking for a job abroad without using English, especially if you want to move to a more Western-style country? Let's move on to number 3, access to education. This is an interesting one. A lot of the world's top universities and online courses are in English. If you speak English, you can study almost anything, from business to photography, with teachers from around the world. Even free learning websites often have English as the main language. Imagine being able to take a free course from Harvard or Cambridge just because you can understand English. And don't forget all the free Google courses a person can do. I think it would be to your advantage to even have a beginner English skill level. I tutor English online when I am not busy making podcasts, and some of my students want to learn English just so that they can eventually study at an English university in whatever their field of study is. Okay, moving on. Reason number 4, travel. I love this one. English is everywhere in airports, hotels, and tourist attractions. Even if you travel to a country where English isn't the main language, the staff often use English to talk to visitors. For example, I went to Thailand and I didn't speak Thai, but I could still order food, ask for directions, and book tours, all in English. It makes traveling easier, safer, and way more fun. Like I said in reason number 1, English is the world's bridge language, meaning it can bridge the communication gap between two non-English languages in most countries you travel in. Get it, got it, good. Now for reason number 5, business and trade. If you dream about working with people from other countries, English is almost always the language used in meetings, emails, and contracts. I once worked on a project with people from 5 different countries. Germany, India, Mexico, Egypt, and Spain. We all had different accents, but we all spoke English. And yes, we laughed a lot at our accents too. That's the fun part. Yes, I know what you are thinking, and yes, the first words you learn in anyone's language is always the bad words. But it is still fun, but the fact remains that we all spoke English to each other, despite everyone speaking a different language. Number 6 is an important one: technology and the internet. Most of the internet is in English: websites, videos, games, tutorials. The list goes on. Let's say your phone has a problem and you search for help on YouTube. The chances are the most helpful video will be in English. If you can understand it, you can fix your phone without waiting 3 days for your cousin's cousin to do it. I think knowing some English when it comes to technology and the internet is a no-brainer, meaning there is no argument. With that said, let's move on to number 7. Reason number 7: cultural understanding. Speaking English means you can enjoy movies, TV shows, books, and music in the original language. I'll be honest, watching a movie in English without subtitles is like eating chocolate without the wrapper. It just feels better. You hear the jokes, the emotions, and the real voices, and it's amazing how much you learn about other cultures this way. Now for number 8, science and research. Most research papers and scientific studies are published in English. If you work or study in science, medicine, or technology, English is the key to staying up to date. Even if you're not a scientist, this means you can read the latest news about medicine, climate change, or technology without waiting for translations. I mean, it is really an advantage. If you can understand and absorb the latest information on a subject faster than your competitors, it makes you just that one step faster. Especially in a world where everything changes daily. And now for reason number 9, personal growth. Learning English, or any new language, is like exercise for your brain. It helps your memory, problem solving, and even your confidence. You know that feeling when you finally say a sentence in English and the other person understands you? Feels like you've just climbed a mountain, right? That's growth. And finally, number 10, global networking. This is just a fancy way to say meeting people and making connections. When you speak English, you can join online communities, work with international teams, or even find new friends across the globe. Who knows, your next best friend, business partner, or travel buddy might be just one English conversation away. So, there you have it: 10 solid reasons why learning English is one of the best things you can do for yourself today. And remember, my friends, you don't have to learn everything at once. Every new word you learn is like one more brick in the house you're building. Keep adding bricks, and one day you'll have a beautiful, strong house called English Fluency. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a like, share it with a friend who's learning English, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Also, please leave a comment where you have needed to use English, whether it was while traveling or at work. I'm James from ESL-Easy English, and I'll see you next time. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Bye for now.